Hello, and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. One of my favorite ways to enjoy coffee, especially in the wintertime, is with some Irish cream. And most of us like to go ahead and buy Bailey's Irish cream. But today I'm going to show you how to make an Irish cream that's better than Bailey's Irish cream. This is my Better Than Bailey's homemade Irish cream recipe. It's really simple. All we need is 1 cup of heavy cream, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1 3/4 cup of Irish whiskey. I like to use Jameson. 1 teaspoon instant espresso coffee granules, 2 teaspoons of chocolate syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Okay, let's get started. Okay, to get started, we're going to go ahead and just measure out our ingredients and pour them into a blender. All right, let's start with our cup of heavy cream. To that, we're going to add a can of sweetened condensed milk. Next, we're going to measure in our 1 3/4 cup of Irish whiskey. I like to use Jameson. One cup. And 3/4. Now, 1 teaspoon of instant espresso mix. Two teaspoons of chocolate syrup. Vanilla extract. This is my homemade vanilla extract. And almond extract. Actually, I have a homemade almond extract here as well. Now that everything's in a blender, we're actually going to go ahead and put it on our blender on low and blend it for about 30 seconds. Okay, here we go, 30 seconds of blending time. Now our Irish cream is done, and we're going to transfer that into another container here so that we can store it. So I'm going to transfer it here into a bottle. Here we go, and I got this bottle off Amazon.com. This will store for approximately 2 months in your refrigerator. You want to make sure you do store it in the refrigerator. And this is great to serve with your coffee or even on the rocks. Have a little Irish cream as a nice after dinner drink. Yum, homemade Irish cream. Delicious. You're gonna love this. Enjoy. Thanks for joining us today on My Low Country Living as we made Better Than Bailey's homemade Irish cream. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one. Thanks.